Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make iconic logo design for beginners part 2. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Select ellipse tool and make a perfect circle. Convert into stroke and increase stroke level 20%. Select rectangle tool and make a box with it. Align and select shape builder and merge both files to each other. Select file, go to expand and unchecked, press OK. Now make a bulb lines with rectangle tool. Select rounded rectangle tool and make tap with it. Now put it in the middle of bulb. I'm using guidelines to adjust in the middle perfectly. Select both files and choose Shape Builder and delete extra shapes. Color it. Make a bulb front lines to making an idea face. Make drops with ellipse tool. put text in it, Manrope fonts and Coves fonts. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.